in a world overrun by AI, optimized by social media and influencers, this dress, this anti-fashion dress, this no shapewear dress has garnered me millions of views across my different social media platforms. Why is that? What is it about this dress that is becoming the dress of 2026? Well, I've got 4 more of these to try on. I'm going to try on 5. We're going to talk about what makes this dress special, both for women and for men. So stay tuned. It's very hard for me, even in a larger room, to get so that you can see this from my front facing camera, but bear with me. You get the idea, right? It's a long gown. And this is the white one. Now, why is this gown, this dress, is it a lounge dress? Is it a beach dress? Is it, what is it? Is it a muumuu? Is it a gunny sack? I don't know. There is no word for it. And that's kind of one of the beauties of it. Now, what it is, it's a backless dress. So I'm going to show you, and hopefully the powers that be are okay with this, because it's just my back. And so that's the little hidden jewel there. So otherwise it's, it's very loose fitting. It has spaghetti straps. The nice thing about this one is, and all of these, because I own about 8 right now, and I'm going to be trying on 5, 4 plus this one. I have gotten some of them and they don't have the adjustable straps. That's what's so nice about this one. It has thoroughly adjustable straps, and you'll see on these other ones too. I'll just show you this one. So see how this, right? So you can adjust it, the armhole part of it, which is fantastic. This part of it is what it is, but you can also adjust how low the back goes. So if you're a taller gal like me, you can, bring it down so it's more airy. These are wonderful for the summer because when it's really hot, these are extremely airy, right? But then you've got this adjustable tie in the back, so you can make it as long or as short as you want, because you can bring it up. So then see, this would be more, that would be more like, upper back, mid back. I am 5'9.5". I'm about 165, 170. To be honest, I'm probably closer to 170 right now. Since moving, I've gained a couple years ago. I gained, probably emotional eating, but I gained about 10 pounds. Not great for what I do for a living, but it's okay. I'm 58. I turned 59 in mid-May. You might be seeing this after my birthday. I've been doing this social media shenanigans since 2021. And I discovered this dress, and we're going to talk about the magic of this dress, because there is magic. I have been so shadow banned on all my social media, not so much on this one, but a little bit on this one. I have been so shadow banned for close to 3 years now, since I had a huge success, viral success, lots of media attention. All my social media absolutely tanked and has really never recovered. A couple months ago, I saw this on TikTok Shop, and I was like, well, that's kind of intriguing. And there were gals, and they were like, look at how cool this is. It has a low back. And it was showing women with their men, and they were like, my man can't keep his hands off me when I'm wearing this dress. And I started thinking about the psychological reasons of why that would be, right? I think this is a really interesting topic at this time when AI scan bots are used by every social media. So there's a lot less human eyes looking at things. But yet, the people that I am entertaining, that I'm making things for, are human. And they see things a little different than an AI bot, right? So this is a loose casual dress. It's not really sheer at all. I mean, you can definitely see a little bit sometimes with shadows, but it's pretty damn modest. My mom would have called this a moo-moo. Okay, so stay tuned for the pink one. Okay, and now we've got this mauve colored one. I will tell you, so I like this color. It's a little bit more opaque than the other ones. The back is the feature, and I don't have a particularly good looking back. I admit this, but that's part of the secret to this style of dress. There's no brand, there's no pressure. Women love this dress because it's comfortable, it's light and airy, and you don't have to suck in your stomach. You don't have to be conscious of what your body looks like. And it is a beautiful dress on pretty much everyone. This is a dress for celebrating a woman's body. I don't think a man would look great in this, but women of all different shapes and sizes and curves can look intriguing. They can look confident. There's something about the feminine mystique of wearing this dress. And I think it goes something very primal to the human eye. But you're starting to see it more on Instagram. Why do women love this? It is light. It is airy. Women, we like to be comfortable. We often run hot. And especially as we get older, but more so, it's not constricting. I get offered all the time to partner up with different companies. And the thing that I get asked to partner up a lot with, and I know other women that do social media, they also do, it's shapewear. It's like, is there anything else that I can promote other than shapewear? I don't even wear shapewear. I I hate it. Most women do. Like chugging it on, and it's so uncomfortable and it binds and you just can't wait to get it off, and it's just not comfortable. And if it's a shapewear that's comfortable, it doesn't work. That's the bottom line. Shapewear that is too comfortable, oops, doesn't work. It doesn't hold anything in. So there's no point to it. It's just hot. It's just polyester and spandex. So then it's just hot and it's uncomfortable. And it's a constant reminder that you're not good enough, that your body's not good enough. You're not good enough to be presentable in the world because you have a bulge here, or your butt is too flat, or it's too big, or it's dimpled, or you have hip dips, or whatever. As a woman, it's all about like, what is the perfect body shape and how can you get closer to that? This dress flips that script because women can feel good about whatever's happening here. And there's something that men seem to really like. And if you're a man watching, remember this is YouTube, but tell me what you like about these dresses. I'm sure you've seen them. Even, other social media people, not just me. This is the dress of 2026. Partially because social media scan bots do not pick this up as spicy. They don't pick it up as naughty, right? I'm trying not to say the word with X. So they're not picking up that it's too revealing, because it's not. Or, there's no cleavage. You don't show cleavage on here. That's something I get in trouble with all the time. But yet it does hint at a feminine shape, and it moves. And it moves. And in the back, there is some openness. That's where I think the secret sauce is. But it's not just the back. I've done reels that have done very, very well where it's just the front. So it's not just the back. Okay, so stay tuned. Now this is the tan one. I've actually bought like 2 or 3 yellow ones like this. And guess what? None of them had this adjustable thing in the back. So sometimes they were like up to here, cutting off my circulation of my underarms. And sometimes they were too big. So most of these are all mediums, but you can still see they're plenty big. You know, they're plenty big, but for whatever reason, these run big. And I think a lot of women like the super large, but that's just something to be mindful of. I ended up getting all mediums because sometimes when I would get a large, even like for some reason I got an extra large, and it was enormous. It was literally like a tent. And then sometimes they don't have the adjustable backs, so that doesn't work real well. But I found these. So half of them I've gotten on Shein. Some of them I've had to return on Shein. Like I said, like it's very hit or miss. There's not one. And that's what's kind of fun about this. This is why it's the anti-fashion dress. There are no labels. These are like 15, 20 bucks. That's it. I just ordered like, I think it was 3 more for $24 free shipping. That's why the fashion industry would hate this dress. Now, what do I wish was different? I will show you the back just so you can see it. So you can see the back. You know, it's very flowy, and that's the thing. That's the secret sauce. The secret sauce is it's flowy and it moves and it's organic and it's natural. And when you put a natural body, a natural woman's body that have some curves, you can have giant curves or you can have moderate curves. I'm kind of moderate, I think. But all bodies look good in this. All female bodies look good in this. I don't know, maybe a guy would look good in it, but I don't think so. It begs for the feminine body, and bigger bodies look great in it. Big butts, I've seen some. I'm like, oh my God, that looks fantastic. You know, you don't have to be voluptuous in front, but it doesn't hurt. You know, it's everybody can look good in this. And there's no labels. And it's not Louis Vuitton. And it's not all these fancy dancy labels and stuff. It's affordable. Now, the one thing that I wish this came in like a gauzy cotton. That would be perfection. A gauzy cotton, because these are polyester. That's not as fun. So it's the fast fashion. Yes, I know there's problems with fast fashion, Shein and stuff. I agree with you. But doing what I do, it's kind of what I have to do because it's not like I can have a regular wardrobe and be online. It doesn't work. I've tried. You have to have these kind of wacky outfits and stuff. Okay, so let's get on to the green one. We are back with the green. Now, this is a first. This is the first time I'm trying this on. Now I have one that's like a seafoam green, so it's kind of like more of a turquoise aqua green, but this is more of a sagey green, which is really pretty on camera. I mean, I'm looking at it right now. I like it. So let me show you the back. You know, and that's what is beautiful about these dresses. They sway. And that's one of the keys. One of the keys, and why I think men really respond to seeing these. It's the natural sway of a woman's body and this fabric, because it sways and it conforms a little bit, but not too much. There's something in social media, it's called skin ratio. It's the ratio of skin, exposed skin to the frame. You can see right here, I have very little skin exposed. It's here and it's my face. Some people put on hats. Some women put on hats to give them a lower skin ratio. Then their face is kind of covered and their head is kind of covered. Some people put on things on their arms. I mean, people are aware of it. So anyway, but you can see, and in the back, you can see a little bit. It complements the body, but it doesn't show it off. So it's that feminine mystique, you know? Anyway, okay, let's get on to the blue one. Now, this one has gotten me millions and millions and millions of views. This one has. So stay tuned. This is the light blue. And even now, even just looking at it, I can see why it does so well. It really bounces off the screen. It's such a pretty blue. Again, this one's a little lighter, which I like. I'll show you the back. I like it, but it's, you know, it's a medium again, so it's plenty huge, but it's not tent-like. And I think that's the difference. And it's not too thick, so it actually moves, right? It has a nice flow. Yeah, I like it. I like it. It's fun. So same deal, you know, women love it because it's freedom, it's feminine freedom, it's comfortable, but yet it's, you know, there's some subtle sensuality to it that women really love. And men, well, you tell me without being explicit. You tell me what you love about it because you definitely are watching. There's definitely something about it that is catching your attention, and creators are noticing it. Look on TikTok, look on Shein, look on Amazon. You will find it. Just search under backless, backless cami, or backless lounge dress, lounge or backless beach wear, beach cover up. You're going to see it there. So anyway, or you can just call it a moo like I do. Anyway, thank you for joining me, and I hope you have a great day. Take care of yourself. Make sure you subscribe, like, leave nice comments, and if you want to know more about me, ElenaVerified.com is where you'll find all my links, my books, my podcasts, my product, and yes, my fan sites. Okay, bye.